Hey guys, Santa, and welcome back to another video of mine. It has been a little while, just a hot minute, since I've been on here, but I've been busy. I've been busy with school and maybe TikTok, but yeah. Anyways, for today's video, it's gonna be a pretty throwback video because it's gonna be a paint with me. Pretty chill. It is a TikTok trend, which is gonna be the ghost painting or the ghost like photo shoot trend that's been going around TikTok. Kind of late to the game, but basically I saw this girl that made a TikTok where she painted the ghosts instead of do a photo shoot like in person with it. So that inspired me. Her TikTok is probably going to be in the description box below. Yeah, her paintings inspired me to do these paintings that I'm going to be doing, and I actually made a TikTok of me painting it. Oh, and the girl that I got inspired by, she duetted the TikTok that I made, which is so cool. So yeah, anyways, let's just get started. So here are the paintings that I painted and how they turned out. I'm pretty happy with them. They're super small, but I feel like they're really cute, just like hung up next to each other. And I tried to kind of stick with the same color theme so that even if they are put up next to each other, it looks good and like a pair. So yeah, I'm excited for hopefully be able to put these up in my dorm next year, if we even have dorms. But that's a later problem. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends. And yeah, stay safe. Ciao. Oh, also, if you guys have any video suggestions that you want me to do, just go ahead and comment down below, or shoot me a message on DM or something, like slide into my DMs. Yeah, so yeah, if you guys are still here, good for you. Thanks for staying. And yeah, bye-bye.